out here in Corinne, Utah. Actually stopped by here, well, 3 months ago, I think. Did this other video about all this information on these historic markers. I'll throw a link to that in the description if you want to check that out. Maybe I'll throw it on the end of this video too. But while I was here, I didn't even think that maybe there's a cache here. Realized later that there was one, so driving by again today, I decided to stop and look for it. Judging by the hint and such, pretty sure it's magnetic on this thing. It's a little metal guy here. There's also a stage of an adventure lab here, so I'll probably answer that one, and I assume you can answer those sporadically when you're in the area. It looks like it's all over northern Utah for that adventure lab. I've never done one like that before, so I assume I can answer the question for this town now, and maybe weeks or months later get other ones. So I'll do that too, but let's see. Oh, that was actually pretty fast. It's like a magnetic key holder right there. Got it. Okay. That's that. I'll see you guys on the next one. I guess we're not done for the day. I'm out here documenting this historic marker for the Hanson Dairy, and happened to look down and see a pill bottle by a fence post. Wasn't thinking about caching, so I didn't know there was one here. But if that's not a cache, I'd be shocked. I need to put together some kind of bookmark list of all the caches I've found by accident. There's been a ton of them. But I guess I get one more for the day.